we reach the height of flu season, the Lubbock Health Department is tracking an increase in all respiratory illnesses, and it expects those numbers to continue to rise.
Those positive cases also include hospitalizations. KCBD News Channel 11's Patricia Perry joins us with how to keep you and your family safe. Patricia?
Karen and Abner, this chart shows as of today, for the final week of 2023, there were 51 people in Lubbock who tested positive with the flu. The director of public health is Catherine Wells, and she says this increase was expected, and throughout January, those numbers could continue to climb.
We are seeing kind of a general week-over-week increase in the number of all of the respiratory viruses.
That increase is in hospitalizations for respiratory illnesses and more people going to the doctor with flu-like symptoms. Catherine Wells says to slow those numbers down, stay home if you're sick.
You know, if you have any of those, not feeling well, especially if you have a fever or a cough, it's really important to stay home if you can.
Some symptoms to look out for with flu and COVID are body aches, fever, fatigue, and cough. And to protect yourself, the #1 thing she recommends is getting vaccinated now if you haven't yet.
The flu vaccine, the COVID vaccine are both easily available at the health department, at pharmacies, and at doctors' offices throughout the community.
Wells says that's especially for those who are elderly or more at risk. And if you do get sick, she says to monitor your symptoms, drink lots of fluids, and if you are concerned, call your doctor.
It's really important to call your doctor because now we have different antivirals that you might be eligible to receive that could reduce the severity of some of those illnesses.
Wells says the good news is the current numbers are lower than this time last year. You can see that on this chart. Last January or last December, those numbers were closer to 150. Karen and Abner.
Thank you, Patricia.